Does everybody know what time it is? Tool time! That's right, Bimford Tools is proud to present
Space Rogue.
That's right, it's tool time again. We only have one update this week. QuickRecon, the DNS and email recon tool, has been updated to version 0.2.4. You can update at Google Code, and that means a quick move right into the fresh. First, OWASP has released a complete rewrite of WebScarab as WebScarab NG. Basically, they've brought out the GUI up to a professional level by using a Spring-rich client platform as a framework. OWASP is also releasing the Hatkit proxy, based on Swing UI. It understands JFlex and other syntax, and will highlight it for you. yInjector is an SQL injection tool supporting both GET and POST methods and proxies. It boasts a shell assistant and the ability to perform common database functions that might be wanted over an SQL injection. Verity has released a data block analyzer for Oracle. It certainly looks cool and sounds low level. More interestingly, Verity has also released DDL dump, which will parse Oracle redo logs, dumping the DDL to XML. Now there's some super obvious utility to your database forensics. There. Switching gears, Monocle is a network IDS element of sorts. It monitors ARP traffic to track hosts on the network and also boasts an active mode, which will query ARP for a list of IPs, perhaps the entire local net block. To close things out, we have some tool news for you. 3 items, actually. First, be sure to check out Microsoft's TechNet's article where Mark Russinovich himself uses the sysinternal suite to dissect Stuxnet. You've probably heard more than enough about Stuxnet already, but this gets into some pretty technical detail on the malware. And, more importantly, it showcases what type of stuff you can do with the awesome suite of sysinternal's utilities. Second, if you're using Xcode and love the properties list editor, you might panic when you upgrade to Xcode 4 and find it's gone. It's been integrated into Xcode, so no more standalone utility. So be sure to grab it out of your Xcode 3 directory before you upgrade. And one final note, Mod Security, the web application firewall from OWASP, recently changed its licensing, which then allowed Oracle and Microsoft to jump on board and bring Mod Security to Oracle's Fusion middleware, WebTier, and to iSAPI land under IIS 7. Now it seemed there's a WAF in Ebby Web Server.
That's all, folks.
That's it for this week's Tool Time. Join us next week for our salute to Tool Time.